Okay, compound inequalities is really just two separate inequalities, but they're compounded together. They're put together just like a compound word. And we use the compound word OR. So now remember, an OR means two separate inequalities on the same line, and when we're done, it should look like this, right? They should be facing away from each other. So our strategy is just to solve them individually, graph them on the line, and make sure it works. So let's start with our first one. To get the x alone, we're going to subtract 4, and we're left with negative 3x is greater than 3. Then we're going to divide by a negative 3, and when we do that, we're going to change the negative to a positive, the positive to a negative, so we're going to change, and there we go. Now let's go over to our second one. All right, same thing. We're going to add the 1. We'll have 2x is greater than or equal to 6. And we're going to divide by 2. No changes here. So x is greater than or equal to 3. Now, if we've done this right, it's going to graph away from each other. So let's see. We put our 0 on as a reference. Negative 1, positive 3. All right, we have, we'll do this one first. So I want all the x's that are smaller than negative 1. It's an open hole, smaller. And I want all the x's that are bigger or equal to positive 3 going away. Beautiful. So my OR looks away from each other. I know I'm good. And remember, you know you love math.